Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 92 of Building the Tumbler from Batman. In this issue, we're continuing with the interior top roof bit and getting a motor fitted to it. Right, we're looking at how to fight a cyborg assassin from the future. Obviously, very carefully, I think, would be the answer to that. But yeah, Ra's al Ghul. Oh, him from Arrow. Go, he comes back. Yeah, and a Parbat. Okay, all good stuff. Dustin Nguyen, I don't know how to say that. Go. Another page from history. Right, so yes, this is what we've got now. We've got the moving plate and motor cover with multiple screws to hold it all together. Yeah, the interior panel with the inner side facing upwards. We've got to put the plate on there, making sure that the switch bit that we fitted in goes in there. We've got 3 AIM screws, and then the motor goes in with 2 CM screws holding that in place. Oh, 3 CM screws holding that in place. So yeah, that's going to be nice and quick. Next time we've got tie rods and emergency brake slide. I don't know what that's for. But that's starting to get everything coming together again. So yeah, let's clear this out of the way. Let's get it built. So here we have the parts from this time, just the cover and that. The motor I have dug out from the pile. This is what we were building previously, and that is going to go on there like that. So there's a post that comes out the back here in between these 2 limiters. It's not going to move very much, is it? And obviously the switch sort of thing from down there needs to go through that gap there, like that. That on there, and that will enable that to slide a little bit. And it sliding moves that switch on the front there, whatever that's going to do. But you've got gears on there, and that's what this is going to connect up to. But first of all, I've got to tie this in place with 3 AIM screws. 3 of those. 1 right in the middle there. And 1 either side. Get that on there properly. There, and that one over there. Go down on there. Get those on there. So that will work. Yeah, that's sliding. You can by using the switch the opposite way around to how it's intended. That works on that. I'll get those tightened up in a minute. That's going to go over there once the motor is in place. Wires coming up the top from that. But they can't because of that. Got the screw going over to the side a bit. That on there. That on there. Out the back. Line it up properly. There we go. Right. So 3 CM screws will hold that together. Three. Good stuff. So another quick build. I think next time is the getting everything together bit. There are lots of building to happen then. And then the time after is the testing everything out bit. So that's now not going to work because the gear is obviously engaged. But that is the interior piece. Like it. I don't know why this has got that movement, but I'm sure it's necessary. But for now, that is that. I'll get these all tightened up and then put it away. But next time, tie rods and emergency brake slide. Good stuff. So, thanks for watching. Stay safe. I shall see you for more very soon. With lots more going on next time. Bye bye for now.